And look what I found! My lost Disney princess book. My little cat demons, they always end up hiding my stuff. Let's clean it. Today I want to twist from this book. This book has all my favorite princesses. From Cinderella to Ariel, Snow White to Tiana, and who doesn't love Rapunzel? How about we twist this page today? Looking at this page, there is so much things that we can twist in this. Let's brainstorm a few ideas. We can have Rapunzel holding a fork and a knife, ready to eat Pascal. Or maybe she's holding Pascal's dead girlfriend, and now she's looking for Pascal while he's hiding. Let's give the background some tweaks as well, and maybe add a skull right here. Or maybe a picture of Mother Gothel. That would surely spice things up. And let's remove these brushes and add sharp things like knives. We have it all mapped out. Let's zoom. I'm gonna start by drawing a dagger in one hand while in the other she's holding Pascal's girlfriend. A skull right here. I'm gonna give her a big jaw and a long tongue. And some sharp teeth to munch. A few candles here. Erasing her eyeballs because we want to give her new ones, just like Pascal's. Now my favorite, coloring time. This white seems promising. It betrayed me. How about we ask Sushi to pick a tongue color for Rapunzel? Green it is. This is so satisfying. Some detail. Oh, as I was saying, time for some details. Some finishing highlight touches. Time for some blood. Adding some on the slab. A big red cross on Mother Gothel. I hope she looks like Mother Gothel. Some more blood. I'm gonna try to smudge the blood with the bud. And it didn't do much. More blood. Blood on every knife, everywhere. Completing her eyes. I almost forgot to add blood on Rapunzel. And voila! What do you guys think? Which Disney princess you guys want to see next? Thank you for watching!